हेलो व्यूअर्स, मैं हरीश शुक्ल आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम इस वीडियो में कांग्रुएंस रिलेशन डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा। यहाँ पर मान लें जेड सेट ऑफ इंटीजर है। लेट जेड बी द सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स। लेट m be a fixed positive integer. Define a relation just a minute, तो मिटा देते हैं। Let a b belongs to z. Say a is congruent to b mod m. This is written as this and read as a is congruent to b mod m if m divides a minus b. Vertical line is symbol of divides. M divides a minus b. A and B are related by congruence relation if m divides a minus b, written as a is congruent to b mod m. We show that this relation is an equivalence relation. We show that this relation is an equivalence relation. Number 1, let a belongs to z. Since m divides 0, 0 is divided by any non-zero number, m divides 0 implies m divides a minus a, implies a is congruent to a. This is for every a. A is congruent to a mod m. Hence, congruence relation is reflexive. Number 2, let a b belongs to z such that a is congruent to b mod m, implies m divides a minus b. By definition, implies m divides minus a minus b, implies m divides b minus a, implies b is congruent to a mod m. Now third, let a b c belongs to z such that a is congruent to b mod m, b is congruent to c mod m, implies m divides a minus b, m divides b minus c, implies m divides a minus b plus b minus c, implies m divides a minus c, implies a is congruent to c mod m. Hence, congruence relation is from here This implies that congruence relation is symmetric. There hence congruence relation is transitive, and therefore congruence relation is an equivalence relation. Since congruence relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and therefore congruence relation is an equivalence relation. Now let us find equivalence class. Let us find equivalence classes. Let A belongs to Z denote the equivalence class of A as A bar. Then A bar is equal to B belongs to Z such that B is congruent to A mod M is equal to B belongs to Z such that B is equal to A plus MQ for some Q belongs to Z is equal to A plus MQ such that Q belongs to Z. Hence A bar will be equal to Q runs over Z. This will equal to A. Let take Q barabar 0, then A plus minus M for Q barabar 1, A plus minus 2M for Q barabar 2, A plus minus 3M and so on. This is A bar for A belongs to Z. Then 0 bar is equal to take A is equal to 0, this will become 0 plus minus M plus minus 2M plus minus 3M and so on. 1 bar will become 1 plus minus M, 1 plus minus 2M, 1 plus minus 3M and so on. 2 bar will be equal to 2 plus minus M, 2 plus minus 2M, 2 plus minus 3M and so on. Then M minus 1 bar, this will become M minus 1 plus minus M minus 1 plus minus 2M, M minus 1 plus minus 3M and so on. We see that M bar is equal to M plus minus M plus minus 2M, M plus minus 3M and so on. This will become, here M minus M will be 0, that is 0, M plus M 2M m minus 2m again minus m plus 2m 3m. So this will become 0 bar. In general, we can see that r bar is equal to m plus r bar. Hence, there are only m equivalence classes, distinct equivalence classes. Hence, there are m distinct equivalence classes, namely 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar up to m minus 1 bar. Set of all equivalence classes for this relation is denoted by Zm. Set of all equivalence classes for this relation is denoted by Zm, and this is Zm is equal to 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, m minus 1 bar. Zm contains m elements. Elements of Zm also called integers modulo m. These 0 bar, 1 bar, these equivalence classes 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar up to m minus 1 bar, these are called integers modulo m. Define addition and multiplication in Zm as follows. A bar plus m bar is equal to a plus b whole bar, and a bar dot b bar is equal to a dot b whole bar. Let us see that these addition and multiplication are well defined. So, to check this, let a bar is equal to c bar and b bar is equal to d bar in Zm. Then m divides a minus c and m divides here b minus d. M divides a minus c and m divides b minus d implies m divides a minus c plus b minus d implies m divides a plus b minus c plus d implies a plus b bar is equal to c plus d bar. So hence the addition is well defined. Hence the addition is well defined. Hence the addition is well defined. Again, from here m divides a minus c implies a minus c is equal to mq1 for some Q1 belongs to Z. Similarly, B minus D is equal to M Q2 for some Q2 belongs to Z. Then we can write A is equal to C plus MQ1, B is equal to D plus MQ2. Multiply them. AB is equal to CD plus CQ2 plus DQ1 M plus Q1 Q2 M square. AB minus CD is equal to CQ2 plus DQ1 M plus Q1 Q2 M square. From this it is clear that M divides AB minus CD, and hence AB bar is equal to CD bar, and that is therefore multiplication is also well defined. Multiplication is also well defined. In proving addition and multiplication to be well defined, we have shown the results. If A is congruent to B mod M, C is congruent to D mod M, then number 1, A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod M, and number 2, AC is congruent to BD mod M. Another result we can see, let A is congruent to B mod M. Let K divides A, K divides B, and K divides M. Then A is equal to, say, K A dash, B is equal to K B dash, and M is equal to K M dash. Since K divides A, say A by K is equal to A dash, B by K is equal to B dash, M by K is equal to M dash. Then A is equal to K A dash, B is equal to K B dash, and M is equal to K M dash. Then from above, A is congruent to B mod M implies K A dash is congruent to K B dash mod K M dash, implies K M dash divides K A dash minus K B dash, implies M dash divides A dash minus B dash, implies A dash is congruent to B dash mod M dash, implies A by K is congruent to B by K mod M by K. Another result, 3. If A is congruent to B mod M1, A is congruent to B mod M2, A is congruent to B mod Mn, then M1 divides A minus B, M2 divides A minus B, and Mn divides A minus B. If M1, M2 dot Mn all divides A minus B, then their LCM will also divide A minus B. Then LCM of M1, M2, Mn, LCM of M1, M2, LCM of M1, M2 dot Mn is denoted by writing M1, M2 dot Mn in square bracket separated by comma. Then LCM of this will also divide A minus B, and hence A is congruent to B mod LCM of M1, M2 dot Mn. इसके आगे आता है लीनियर कॉन्ग्रुएंस, जिसको हम अपने अगले वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। आज के लिए फ़िलहाल इतना ही।